Hi, I just moved to a brand new city for an internship, which means I've been going on a lot more hikes. Sometimes on these hikes, I notice the birds singing around me and feel like I'm missing out on some sort of secret conversation. When I try to call back to the birds, I quickly realize how bad I am at mimicking them. Whistling gets me closer, but it still feels like something else is going on. If you were to guess that birds have a special advantage that allows them to produce a wider range of sounds, you'd be correct. In fact, birds have adaptations built into every part of their song production. To wrap your brain around how birds sing, it's helpful to know how we make noise first. Mammals, amphibians, and reptiles all use the larynx to produce sound. It's located at the top of the trachea. The vocal folds are inside the larynx and vibrate when air passes through them. Kind of like how blowing air between two blades of grass creates a buzzing noise. I'll try to demonstrate it now. The pitch and volume of the sound can be controlled independently. The pitch is influenced by how tight the surrounding muscles are pulling the vocal cords, while the amount of air pushed by the diaphragm influences how loud the sound is. When the sound is created, it also comes along with a variety of harmonic frequencies. These are often filtered out when resonating throughout the rest of the airway. Finally, the sound is shaped by your tongue and lips to create complex noises like the ones I'm so effortlessly saying now. Millions of animals use a system like this to make all kinds of sounds, but birds have taken this to the next level. Although birds have a larynx, they don't produce any sound with it. Instead, they use a different organ called the syrinx. The syrinx is located where the trachea splits into two parts and heads to the lungs. The split creates two openings that can produce sound independently from one another. Some birds use this ability to switch between two sounds at seemingly impossible speeds, while others use the ability to sing a duet with themselves. The wood thrush in particular takes full advantage of being able to produce two sounds at once, which can be heard and seen in this amazing clip from the Cornell Bird Academy. Another trait that gives birds a leg up on humans is their superfast muscles, which is somehow the official technical name. Superfast muscles are found throughout the entire animal kingdom and are almost 100 times faster than typical muscles. These muscles can also be seen in rattlesnakes. In their tail, superfast muscles produce their characteristic rattle. Birds use superfast muscles to control their set of tympaniform membranes, which are the bird equivalent to vocal cords, contracting and relaxing them at up to 250 times per second. This extreme speed allows them to trill and warble in ways no other animal can. Even though birds use a different organ to produce sound, they still run into some of the same problems as humans when they sing. Like professional singers, birds have had to master the art of breath control. But again, they've developed a system that's better than ours. Instead of storing air in their lungs, birds store air in sacs throughout their body and only use their lungs to transfer CO2 and oxygen to and from their blood. The additional capacity compared to other animals means that birds can sing for longer. And when they have to breathe, they can also do it faster than us. By controlling the pressure in their air sacs with high precision, birds take mini breaths that only take 1/20th of a second. This period is so short that it often blends in with their melody, which is why you can hear bird songs that feel like they go on forever. Similar to other animals, a bird's voice can be modified further up in the vocal tract. If you've ever gotten the chance to see a bird sing up close, you may have been able to see its throat vibrating. This happens because birds can change the shape of their air sac and even upper esophagus so that the sound resonates inside of them. This shape change filters out harmonic frequencies like the ones produced by humans to create the sing-songy tone birds are known for. This post-processing is also what helps parrots mimic human speech. Just like humans, a parrot's thick tongue shapes the sound made by the syrinx. It's amazing to see all of the working parts behind such a simple trait like birdsong. For me, knowing all of the special traits birds possess makes being able to intercept their song just a little more special each time I hear them. I hope the next time you hear birdsong, instead of them blending in with the forest or cityscape, you can appreciate just how special their song really is.